Hey there! We're Arcos Self-Storage, and if you live in the San Francisco Bay Area, chances are you've already seen one of our locations around town. We've been around for years, and we're proud to be the leading storage provider in the Bay Area. Why? Because we actually care. From the moment you rent with us, we make it easy. We've got 8 convenient locations across California and a wide range of storage unit sizes. So, whether you're storing a few boxes or an entire garage, we've got space that works for you. Need something a little more specific? We also offer climate-controlled units, secure P.O. boxes, wine storage, and even parking for your RV, boat, or car. You can rent online at www.arcosstorage.com, anytime, from anywhere. It seriously takes just a few minutes. Don't just take our word for it. Read our reviews on Google and Yelp. Or better yet, hear it straight from our customers on our YouTube channel. Their stories say it best.
I have had absolutely zero issues in a negative way, with no cleanliness issues, no security issues. The security's great here.
I love this facility. It's very clean. They're very friendly. I like the space, and the prices are great. So
this is by far the best storage space I've ever used. They're extremely clean, extremely organized. The staff is very, very helpful. And I'm being serious about this. Arco Storage, you can't go wrong.